Hi friends, I am Coderboy. Today we will learn how to get a random number in Python. Random means Python picks something for us. It could pick a number, it could pick a color, it could even help us make a game feel surprising. For example, when we roll a dice, we do not know which number will come. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. That is random. In Python, random tools live inside something called random module. A module is like a toolbox, and the random module is a toolbox full of random tools. Before we use it, we need to import it. So first we write import random. Now Python knows that we want to use the random toolbox. Let's roll a dice. On the next line type print open bracket random.randint randint open bracket 1, 6 close bracket and close the bracket again. This line asks Python to pick a random whole number from 1 to 6. The function randint means random integer. An integer is a whole number. Let's click run. Python shows a number. Maybe it says 4. When you click again, it could say 1 or 6. Different results can appear each time. This is the power of random. Now let's try another random trick. We can also pick a random item from a list. For this, we use random.choice. Let's make a list of colors. Type colors equal open bracket quote red, blue, green, close all the quotes and close a square bracket. Now type print open bracket random.choice open bracket colors and close both the brackets. Now click run and Python might say blue, or when you click again it might say red or green. So Python is picking one item from the list each time. So remember, random.random integer picks a random number. Random.choice picks a random item from a list. And before using random tools, we must write import random. Random makes our program more fun because the result can change every time. In the next video, we will use what we have learned to build our first creative project, a greeting story. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.